Okay, trading the 15-minute initial balance range. It is 9:11 right now. So this 15-minute candle right here, this red candle, is our 15-minute range. Right now we are out of it. The momentum, if we go to the 4-hour chart, obviously if you caught that move, I mean that's either blew up accounts or took lots of profits. So this is the beginning of the 4-hour candle, which started at 9 o'clock. It looks like we're making an up move or below. So I'm gonna take a quick scalp there on the upside. I'm gonna move my stop right below here, and I'm gonna scale in on these trades.
Target.
Scaled in another trade. I want the momentum going to the upside. We have this attraction level, bypass S1, S2, S3 is down here.
Target.
Okay, it is 9:12. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles that have been red on the downside. And this is an aggressive candle, so we may retrace here before a drop. So I'm fine getting scalps on the upside. If we go back to the 15-minute range, there's our 15-minute candle there. So I just bought this 15.
Target.
Okay, that took us out. Now we're not. Right now we're in the 15-minute range. I've got 12 micros. And I'm going to put my stop right below here on this 15-minute candle. 12 micros right now. I'm good. Going 20. Put this right here. We're 18. I'm going to add another one. We're at 20 micros on the upside. 22. Let's pull back for the upside. And that's how aggressive you can get as far as scaling this in. So just going to make those to those 16. Now, why am I in the buy trades when the momentum is down? So we're at extreme levels. We're out of the 15-minute IBR. It is 9:14, so we may make an up move. So my attraction level is this high right here. Okay, we just took all those out. So I'm going to go ahead and buy the pullbacks on this move. Put my stop right below this candle. I'm going to scale in on these trades on the upside. Even though we had red momentum, I expect this to go up here and test this level here before we drop down. 6 micros on the upside. I took the buy because we are extreme level. If you look here, the 4-hour chart, that is what our 4-hour chart looks like. So we may make a pullback here, play around in this range, and then drop. Or we may come back and take this move up after this big drop on this red candle here. So
Target.
4 micros. I just added in. Put the stop right below here. Now this is how you trade the 15-minute initial balance range. Right now it's 9:16. We're in 6 micros on the upside. It's about to get us in another trade here. Gave us in 2 trades. We're in 12 micros on the upside.
Order submitted.
And 12 micros on the upside. I took the buy because we're below. We're at the low of the 15-minute IBR range. So you can see that's the 4-hour candle there. We're at 16 micros on the upside. That's a pullback to go back up. I'll give this room a breathe a little bit. We're out.
Target filled.
14 micros. I'll find my path, no matter the break. I might trip, I might lose ground, but I'll rise again when hope is found.
Order filled.
18.
Target filled.
Still pull back to the upside.
Target filled.
See this low? This is the new low, so we're going up. Since that is the 15, that right there would be the hour range. So you're actually at the bottom. The hour range may be the low of the day, unless we actually break it. So let's see. We may be in this range for an hour or so. After that aggressive move down. We're 14 micros on the upside. Just reading price action right now. All we're looking is for this range. This top of the range to get tested out. If it goes up here, we're going to get out on all of our trades here. This is our drawdown right here. So that's going to fluctuate. Or right there at resistance. I'll take that trade right there.
Target filled. Target filled.
That is the new 4-hour candle on the 9 o'clock. So everything in this 4-hour candle, if you sold it, you would have won your trade. That's why the 4-hour candles are pretty good as far as reversals after aggressive moves. 922. We're 14 micros on the upside. I scaled into the trades because we broke out the 15, and this is the bottom of the hour. IBR range, we're at the bottom of the day. There's always some type of reversal before the continuation, so it's 922. Maybe consolidating at the bottom of this candle until the 930 candle opens up. We may come down and test that low, so I would like to put our stops right below here, the S3 level. I'm still looking for a return up here to take those out, so this is the low of the day. Another resistance point. Go ahead and take that. These trades should be in and out pretty quick. 14 micros, that is our drawdown. So if you have a 50K account, your max drawdown is 2,500. So you could use this strategy to pass eval counts. Testing the low. 22 micros, we're at 1,000. Playing around with 1,000. We may get in and get at this low here. I'm going to scale in one more. 1,200. 13. Remember, our drawdown is 2,500. So scaling in to pass an eval account. 13. We're at the bottom of the IBR for the 1 hour. So basically, I'm buying at the bottom or out of it to go back up after that extreme move up. So drawdown 14. Keep an eye on that. 925. You think it's weakness to guard my space. We didn't go down to make a new low. We almost went there. It is 925. 5 more minutes. 18 micros. 926. We're at the bottom of the IBR, scalping this up, or at least halfway to the 1 hour range. Change this to the 1 hour. We're at 18 micros, I scaled in. We're just looking for that 930 reversal to get us out of these trades. Give this a little bit of room to breathe. This is a really good move as far as the IBR. Changed it to the 1 hour IBR. This may be the low of our 1 hour IBR. We may go and take this high of the IBR out after breaking this. So there's 928. A couple more minutes before the new 15-minute candle forms. Now, instead of using the micro 4, you can go and change this to 2, 1 at 20, 1 at 40, and adjust your leverage on it. And just hold these out because you are using micros. 928. 929, the new 15-minute candle is fixing to form here. I like to play within this range and just take us out, and we'll be done with this testing. Trading the IBR level, you can trade the breakouts, trade within the range. Looks like we're ranging right now. So we may range within this after that big move down from here. We're in 18 micros. All of our take profits within the IBR levels. $9.29, $9.30. Goes a new 15-minute candle. So this is our 1 hour range. So I'm good with these scalps because this 1 hour range, we always test the range. We're in 18 micros, just waiting for those to get taken out here. 9:30. That's the new 15-minute candle. 20 minutes in these trades. I just scaled in. And you have to believe in the process that you're doing. So after trading these IBR levels testing it for about 4 or 5 months, even if it goes against me, I will move these because we are in micros and we are at extreme levels. If we look at the 4-hour chart, 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of down candle after the momentum. So it's just a matter of how you want to trade these. I mean, the momentum is down, but I'm looking for a reversal, especially at the bottom of this 1 hour IBR level. 18. I like that little momentum there. I'll take it, add to it. There we go. That's the push that we're looking for. We're in 20. I just scaled in. $9.33. So that reversal is coming about 9:30. That's the one I wanted to see right there. We're in 14 more micros on the upside. Just pull back. $9.34. The reason why I'm buying the market is we just dropped like crazy pre-market coming into the open. And there's always a moment of retracement before the continuation, so I'm good with buying this market. And I've got all this attraction level. You got the open, 200, and all of our take profit is below the IBR high for today. It's 9:35. I mean, you can scalp this on the downside and on the upside. I'm choosing the up because we're at the bottom of the 1 hour IBR. Even if we break out, we'll be coming back in here. And all of our take profit are below the open range. So it's just a matter of waiting this time out. So
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
I just scaled in. Let's trade on that. Because I believe in these levels, and that's the reason why I'm buying this. Just waiting on NQ to take us out. We'll be done. Buying below the level of the 1 hour. All our take profit is before the IBR high, so I believe overall it will go and take that IBR high out. We're in 12 more micros. It's 9:38 right now. Usually makes a move after 9:30. See, this consolidated. So this may be the move to break this high and go and test this. And we're just waiting to get us taken out on those trades. The good thing about micros is you can hold those. So 12 more micros on the upside. About 30 minutes into this trading session. Put another micro order right there. Just to scale us in.
Target order submitted.
And that's how I scale these trades in. Just holding it and scaling it in on the pullback.
Target filled. Target filled.
There it is. Now we're making that move. 939. 2 more micros. And that's how you can scale in and pass these eval accounts.
Target filled.
Okay, $1,300 on just that. Buying at the low of the IBR after seeing consolidation. Now we're going to test this. But yeah, that's how you trade. That's one of the ways you trade. I moved the 15 to the hour. And to most of the trades, and always the 50% retracement, it'll take your trades out. So you can see it's going to go test this. And that will usually happen after that big trending move down. So if it came and stopped us out, then you know the momentum going on the downside is not done. But if we go to the 4 hour and look at this, I mean, that's a green candle. You can take the pullbacks. That will be green in the next 4 hours. And then the next candle may be the reversal continuation on the downside. So you can take the pullbacks on there after that move up. Like I would take it right there. Move my stop right below here. And I would just take all the pullbacks. And this is on the 4 hour candle. If you look at the 15-minute candle, now you got momentum on the upside. So that's basically how you scalp. And NQ moves pretty quick, so you can scale in trades like that. Just move your stop below here. And this is the 15-minute candle. We've already broken on that, so the next attraction is this. It will go up and test that and be out of it. And of course, you ain't got to hold these. You can close it, but we'll let it breathe. It's going to pull back, get us in, or take us out. And basically, I mean, that's the 15-minute candle. That's an aggressive 15. And keep in mind, if you look at the 4 hour, right now the momentum is on the upside. So this may be the low of the day, but we'll see. And that's how you can scale in on these trades. Of course, you can adjust all those to get you out of the trade. That's a pullback. So we could just take the pullbacks on this 15-minute candle because we will go and break this high out. So you could scale in on this now that it's making that move. Just move your stop here. You just want to go with momentum. Momentum is we're going to the upside now.
Target filled.
So basically, we're buying at below of the 1 hour because that aggressive move, there's really no breakout to the downside. There's a retracement right there. Also on the 4 hour chart, that's a green candle, so you can take the pullbacks on it. So using these IBR levels with the support resistance to open, that's why I have these indicators up. It lets me know where we're at. I mean, as far as overall time frame, I mean, basically this is a buy zone down here. So this will be your buy zone. It'll probably come up here and play around. Change this back to the 15. There it is. Okay, that's another way to trade the 15-minute initial balance range, changing it to the hour and taking your trades at the bottom after this aggressive move down. And with those scalps, I mean, the most drawdown we had was about 1,000. If you have a 50K evaluation account, 2,500 is your drawdown. So you would be in the range to take those trades. And the good thing about micros is you can scale in, and that's about 30 minutes of trading. That's one way of trading the initial balance range using micros.